Whenever Mino is watching the sunrise, something always ruins her fun. The moment she steps close to the window, a mean seagull comes to scare her away.
Minoś inoreda. Minoś.
Even if she just wants to take a nap on the windowsill, the big bad bird will always taunt her. It's almost as if the seagulls get a kick out of mocking Mino. But since we live close to the sea, I didn't know how to help the poor girl.
Minoś? Czekaj ty.
Mino was a stray cat who we found all sad and lonely on the streets of Istanbul. She was terrified of humans. So I decided it was best for her to come and live with me. For Mino, looking outside at the ocean view was how she found peace and comfort. Until one fateful day, a white-winged troublemaker came flying in. Little by little, Mino would approach the window to get a better looking. But then she would peck at the class, and Mino ran away like a scaredy cat. Eventually, she decided enough is enough. I have to stand up to this bully. Every day, she started to spend more and more time at the window. And her and her feathery foe actually started to get along. They would sunbathe together and keep each other company. Until one day, the seagull went missing. Mino was super stressed and didn't know what to do. But a few weeks went by, and she brought someone special over. Now Mino, the mom and her baby all hang out together. Mino is always super gentle when the baby is around. They seem to be one big happy family. They all get to watch the sunrise together. And having a front row seat to this beautiful bond is something I never could have imagined.